We are moving to something called as a breach. What do you mean by a breach? A breach is defined as the acquisition, access, use or disclosure of unsecured PHI in a manner not permitted by HIPAA that pose a serious threat and risk to the affected individuals. So that is a breach. It is causing a serious risk to the affected patients. Now we'll have to see there are commonly like 8 types of breaches that can commonly occur. So the first thing would be an unintended disclosure. For example, imagine you are sending an email to the wrong person. That's an unintended disclosure. A credit card information need not be given to a medical coder. An unintended disclosure. It's not needed for him. By mistake, this happens.